Hi, welcome to another episode of PSDtv. I'm your host, Alex Pault, and today I've got Gareth Henson. He's with Torex Semiconductor, and we're here at the booth at Electronica. How glad to be here.
Yep, glad to see you. Hi, Alex.
Well, Gareth, you know, what I love about this show is that everybody's got all their cool new devices and cool new technologies and new app spaces, and I understand Torex is moving into the automotive space.
Yep. I think we're using electronica to actually introduce our brand new range of automotive products. This is AEC-Q 100 qualified products, specifically aimed at the European automotive market.
Very cool. Very, very cool. So now, is it a family of products? Are there going to be specific power levels, or are you shooting for certain functionality sets?
I mean, Torex is well known for the sort of power management solutions. We have a large and well-established market in the sort of consumer, wearable and industrial areas, and we're taking that knowledge and know-how and applying it to the automotive segment. So it's DC to DC converters, voltage regulators, some voltage supervisors. It's a full family of product, but aimed at the automotive segment.
Which means robustness and temperature management are critical.
It means that these products have their own unique QA standards and tests so that they meet the AEC-Q 100. We are guaranteeing higher levels of reliability, and all of the things that our automotive customers would want in Europe.
Very, very nice. Now, beyond automotive, Torex hasn't forgotten their older technologies and probably moving forward in those spaces as well.
We've definitely not forgotten. I mean, we are building on the success we've had in the past. I mean, our latest products take the micro DC to DC concept where we have the DC to DC and the coil integrated into the same package. And as part of the show, we are introducing the world's smallest micro DC to DC.
Very nice.
0.75 millimeter high, so this includes the coil and the DC to DC in a single package. And actually, if you look here, you can see some examples of how this works. So this is just a bit of a mock-up, but this product here, you have the DC to DC chip and the coil side by side, and then this is encapsulated into a package. And the solution we have at the moment is 0.75 mil high and around 2 millimeter by 1.5. So very, very small. It also includes very low quiescent current, high efficiency, all of the things that you would need for IoT and wearable applications.
Well, and that's critical. I mean, in the case of IoT and wearables, it's all about form factor, it's all about power density, it's all about making sure the functionality can be implemented, because if it's too big a solution or it runs too hot, it doesn't work.
Yeah, and this is a key point for us. I mean, by integrating the coil and the DC to DC into a single package, I mean, you can have the benefits of the small form factor, you get the good high efficiency that you would normally associate with Torex products, you get the very low output ripple, but the other benefit that's often overlooked is by integrating, you actually reduce the EMI. So the radiated noise from this type of solution is much, much lower compared to a traditional DC to DC and external coil. So you get a lot of benefits with this solution. And of course, for the customer, it's easy to implement. Just 2 capacitors outside, and they have their circuit.
Very nice, very nice. Now, people keep talking about digital control. Do you see that downstream in your future?
It's something that we're working on now, but it's not something that we have here today. But
understood.
Future. Watch this space.
Well, and also at the key point, we have to get the power to function in the right size, right form factor, right performance, and then we can always think about control.
Yeah, but I think the key thing for Torex is by utilizing the solutions that we have, you can put the component where you need them, everything is integrated, it's easy for the customer to put onto their PCB. We're hopefully making it a much more simple solution.
And that's what the bottom line is, right?
Yeah. Indeed, indeed.
So thank you so much, Gareth. I really appreciate you taking the time at this busy show to talk to us.
All right. Thanks, Alex. Thanks very much.
Oh, the pleasure is mine. And I'd like to thank everybody out there for taking the time to be with us. We wouldn't be here without you. Tell your friends. This is Alex Pault for Power Systems Design. Have a great day.